Hello everyone, welcome to my class. So today we are going to discuss about delete operation. Delete operation in linked list. So last session we discussed about the insertion operation, right? How we can insert that, insert at beginning, insert at middle, and insert at end. So today our first operation will be delete at beginning. Okay. So let assume this is my linked list 10, 20, 30. Okay, so I want to delete this. So there could be two scenario. This is scenario number one, and scenario number two is we have only one linked list. Okay, and we need to delete. So delete at beginning should able to handle both of this scenario. Okay, so how can we do this? So let us assume delete at beginning. Correct. So what we'll check, if head dot next equal to null means scenario number two, then what we'll do, we'll just make head equal to null. That's all. So if we make head equal to null, so it will be get deleted. If you are using C programming or C++, you can store head into temp, then you call a method called free, and that temp you can do, but that is optional. Okay, it is up to you. Okay, and if head is not equal to null, then what we will do? Then what we can do, so head is pointing to 10, right? So we want to make head should point to 20, and then we can delete 10. Correct. So how we can do this? So we can write head. Okay, so let's do that. Temp equal to head. So now temp is pointing to the current head, which is 10. After that, head equal to head dot next. Now head, now this link created, now head is pointing to 20. After that, you can make it, you can call free temp or temp equal to null. Okay, so whatever you want. That's all about delete at beginning. Now second one, that is called delete at end. Okay, so delete at end means what? So this is the same linked list, so we want to delete now this node, that is 30. So if you have a tail pointer, then tail will point to the this last node, but I am doing that, I don't have any tail pointer, I have only head pointer. So what I need to do, I need to iterate till I reach 30. So it's better that we reiterate up to 20. Okay, let me draw another diagram. So 10, 20, 30. Okay, so now in this diagram we want to iterate up to here. Okay, so what I can do, so node, so node t equal to head. Okay, now while t dot next not equal to null. Okay, see, t is starting from here, t dot next 20 is null, no, then t will move here. Okay, then 20 dot next equal to null, no, then t will move here. T dot next not equal to null, it is null. Now if we use this code, problem is that my t will come here. Correct, then I can do make it null. Okay, we can make this as a null, but problem is that this is also one approach, but we want that, we want to reach up to 20, and 20 dot next we want to make it null. So instead of this code, what we will do, we will check while t dot next not equal to null. Now see the same one. So t is here. T dot next not equal to null. Yes. Then what we'll do? T equal to t dot next. Okay. So now t will come here. T dot next, this one dot next not equal to null. No, this is null. So I will stop here. Okay. After this, what I will do, now I am in the 20. So what I can do, node T temp equal to T dot next. So what point, so temp is now pointing to 30. Temp is pointing to 30. Now what I can do, T dot next equal to null, and you can do free temp. So this node will be get deleted. But in this case, there is a one possibility that this can be a null pointer exception. When, let's take this scenario. You have only 10 and 20. Okay, in this scenario, it will be T dot next 20 dot next. That is null. This is also fine. This will also work if you have two elements. But if you have only one element, okay, 10, and you call delete at end, that time what will happen? T dot next, that is null. Then we are doing null dot next. So this will throw a null pointer exception. So better is that if you're following this approach, before this you check if you have only one node. If you have only one node, you can call, you can write a logic what we wrote for delete at beginning. Okay, so this check is required. Fine. Now the last one, delete particular node. Okay, this is really important. Let us assume you have 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, I want to delete 30. If I want to delete 30, what I need to do? This next point to 20 should go and point to 40. Okay, so what I can do? If you want to delete 30, then your pointer should stop before that 30, right? So what you need to write? So again, you can write node temp equal to head. Okay, so while what I can check, that temp dot next dot data not equal to 30. This 30 should not be hard coded. This should come as a parameter in this method. Okay, now if it is not 30, then temp should go temp dot next. So what will happen? Let's start from here. Temp is here. Temp dot next dot data equal to 30. No. So temp will move here. So my temp is here now, correct? Temp dot next dot data not equal to 30. No, it is 30. So my temp will stop here. Then what I should do? You can, if you want to delete, you can take temp one equal to temp dot next. If you do this, so this will contain which value? 30. Okay, this is just to delete or free operation. Else what, now what we need to do? Now temp is here. So temp dot next equal to, temp one is pointing 30, right? So you can use temp one dot next. Okay, so temp one dot next is 40. The moment you will write this line, this green line will be created, means 20 next will point to now 40. And after that, you can simply delete free temp one, and the temp one will be get deleted. Okay, so again, the same thing is applicable. If you have only one node, let us assume 10, and if you try to delete, so temp dot next dot data means 10 dot next, which is already null, dot data will be throwing a null pointer exception. So you here also you need to check if we have only one node exist in our list. Okay, so this is all about delete operation in single linked list. If you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.